Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Now, install dependencies for Etherpad using the command below. After the installation, check the mariadb and nginx services to ensure both services are running. Now check the nginx service using the next commands. Lastly, check the nodejs version with the following command. Now log in into the mariadb-server by using following command. Run the following mariadb queries to create a new database user with the next password. Also to grant all privileges and flush privileges for this user. After creating the database and user, you will download the Etherpad source code. Install the npm package using the following command. Now run the command below to create a new user system, Etherpad. This user will be used to run the Etherpad application. Next, go to the next directory and download the Etherpad source code via git. Afterward, go to the next directory and install nodejs dependencies for Etherpad with the following command. After dependencies are installed, the Etherpad should be running automatically. Now open the next file with the following NANO editor and change the title for your Etherpad installation. Change the default IP address to the next or to localhost. This will start the Etherpad process in localhost only. Comment the file dirty database configuration like following. Insert the configuration below to set up a database with the mariadb-server. Make sure to change the details of the database with yours. Create a new system service file for Etherpad. Add the following configuration to this file. With this, you will run the Etherpad in the background as a system service through the npm command. Now run the command below to reload the system manager and apply the Etherpad service file. After the system reloads, start and enable the Etherpad. Next, run the following command to check the Etherpad service status and make sure that service is running. Lastly, check the default Etherpad port with ss command below. Use the following NANO editor command to create a new nginx server block. Add the following configuration and change the server name option with your domain name or IP address. Next, run the following command to activate the server block etherpad-conf file and verify your nginx syntax. Lastly, run the command below to restart the nginx service and apply the changes. From now on, you can visit your Etherpad domain name by your favorite web browser. If Etherpad installation is successful, you will get the following page. Type the new name for your first pad and click OK to confirm. Congratulations, you just have installed Etherpad on your Ubuntu server. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.